Well, it turned out okay, except I have that middle hole, whatever that thing in the middle is. It's still good. Anyway, this is my flan with coconut milk instead of regular milk. So try this. Thank you for watching. Medium pan, I have a half a cup of brown sugar. And I have the heat on medium heat because I don't want to burn it. So here I have 6 eggs. I included the yolk because I want color, otherwise it'll just turn like pale white. So I beat this until it's smooth. Then I add my coconut milk instead of using my regular milk. Then I add a little bit of vanilla. So always use good vanilla. I mean, when you're cooking, you should always use good vanilla.